QuickPick 201 tackles the challenge, meat packing. A Northern California meat processor contacted Visual Robotics to automate picking of meat and placing it in a tray. Today, this process is done manually. It's tricky to automate, optically difficult, irregular shaped, and physically challenging. Visual Robotics provided the 3D vision technology to meet this challenge. The VIM 201 system guides the robot to pick meat off a conveyor, orients it, and places it in a tray. In real time, the VIM 201 system optically measures the speed and orientation of the meat to intercept it. When 4 trays are filled, the packaging machine advances. The Washdown cabinet from Schwartz Automation houses all the necessary vision components for the meat picking operation. No external camera, no gantry, no belt encoder. The VIM 201 camera is mounted to a UR5 robot next to the Softrobotics gripper, and the vision system compute module is housed inside the cabinet. Because the system has no external components, it is portable and can be wheeled to any station on the floor. Visual Robotics has provided a simple, much-needed solution for an industry that has been difficult to automate. The current world health crisis makes solutions like this all the more urgent. The applications of Visual Robotics' patent-pending technology are many. Here are just a few. Learn more about our systems at visualrobotics.com.